Good morning, everyone. My first topic is today's news. Union Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman said on Wednesday that the economy was on the path to recovery. Going back the feedback she received from the states about the positivity in some high frequency indicators and from industrialists who told her they had almost reached the pre COVID capacity utilization levels. Addressing the media, here she said the GST Council had decided that the compensation less collection could go beyond the 5-year transition period originally proposed. On the Andhra Pradesh government's demand for revenue deficit grant, she said it had to be discussed as it was a matter in the preview of the 14th Finance Commission, whose term had expired. The Minister of Finance has to work on it, considering that the amount being claimed by the state is based on the recommendation of the 14th Finance Commission. The 15th Finance Commission has already submitted its first year's report and it is under implementation, Mrs. Sitharaman observed while addressing the media here. She avoided a firm reply to a question on the demand for a special category status, saying she would answer if she had one. And my second news is, as Mr. Modi entered his 20th year as head on an elected government, Prime Minister Narendra Modi on Wednesday said he wants to assure the countrymen once again that the welfare of the nation and the poor is paramount for him. In a series of tweets in Hindi, Mr. Modi said he will continue to strive to make himself worthy of people's blessings and love as he conveyed his gratitude to them. I would like to assure the countrymen once again that the welfare of the nation and the poor is paramount for me and will always be so, Mr. Modi said. No person can ever claim that he does not have any shortcomings. A long period of holiday, such important and responsible positions. Being human, even I can make mistakes, Mr. Modi said. He said it is his good fortune that despite all these limitations, people's love for him is growing. Mr. Modi said the way people have showered blessing and love on him from every corner of the country today, the power of his words to thank them is falling short. Now my second topic is vocabulary. My first vocab is backlash. It means a strong feeling among a group of people in reaction to a change or a recent events in society or politics. Its spelling is BACKLASH, backlash. Now I am repeating this spelling BACKLASH, backlash. In Hindi, it's mean तीखी प्रतिक्रिया. For example, US President Donald Trump faced a backlash for removing his mask. अमेरिकी राष्ट्रपति डोनाल्ड ट्रंप को अपना मास्क हटाने के कारण तीखी प्रतिक्रिया का सामना करना पड़ा वेन ही रिटर्न टू द वाइट हाउस, जब वे व्हाइट हाउस से लौट रहे थे. द सिमिलर वर्ड्स ऑफ बैकलेस आर contraction, reaction, reswell, resentment, etc. And the antonyms are compliment, appreciation, recognition, etc. My second vocab is turmoil. That means a state of great disturbance, confusion, or uncertainty. The spelling of turmoil is TURMOIL, turmoil. Now I am repeating this spelling TURMOIL, turmoil. The Hindi meaning of turmoil is halchal. For example, Dolly Kitty or O Chamakte Sitare is the story of every woman and their emotional turmoil. डॉली, किट्टी और वो चमकते सितारे हर महिला और उनकी भावनात्मक हलचल की कहानी है. Similar words of turmoil are confusion, disturbance, disorder, etc. And opposite words are calm, peace, response, etc. Now my third topic is about a story of a rich man and his son. A rich man's son was graduating college. For months, the son was asking his father for a new car, knowing that his father had more than enough money. When graduation day came, the young man's father called him into the study. The father handed him a wrapped gift and congratulated him about his graduation and his achievement. Looking disappointed, the son opened the gift to find a lovely leather-bound journal with the young man's name embossed on the cover. He angrily raised his voice, threw down the journal, and stormed out. The young had not seen his father since graduation day. He became successful and was wealthy like his father. With a beautiful home and family, he came to realize his father was again, and it may be time to put the past behind them. Just then, he received a message that his father had passed, and he had to return home to take care of the estate. As the morning sun regretfully returned home, he began searching through his father's important paper and saw that a still new journal. Just as he had left it, he opened it, and as he flipped through the pages, a car key dropped from the back of the journal. A dealer tag was attached to the key that read "Paid in full. Whatever this car takes you, write about it to remember it forever. Love, Dad." Moral of this lesson is no matter what you expect, be grateful for what you are given. It may be more of a blessing than you think. Thank you.
Good morning to all of you guys and good morning sir. Today my topic is news, story and vocab. So first I would like to personify my news. So first news is that Hope in Sight celebrated on second Thursday of October 8 October 2020 and aim to draw attention on blindness and vision impairment. Initiative by the First Sight campaign of Lions Club International Foundation in 2000 in London, and theme Hope Inside because those persons which are blind, which they don't have any eyes to see the world, that's why hoping to enhance them, that's why this celebrated is celebrated to all of us. And my second news is that National Startup Awards 2020, the result of the first edition of the National Startup Awards will be released by Minister of Commerce and the Industry on 6 October 2020. Department for Promotion of Industry and Internal Trade convenes the first ever National Startup Award, aims to recognize outstanding startups and ecosystems enablers that are building innovative products or solutions and scalable enterprises with high potential of employment generation or wealth creations, demonstrating measurable social impact and invented applications across 12 sectors: agriculture, education, enterprise technology, energy, finance, food, health, industry 4.0, space, security, tourism, and the urban services, and cash prize rupees 5 lakh each. This startup was started in 2020 National Startup Awards. Thank you guys. Thank you sir. Now my second topic is that story. So I like to personify story. Stop stressing so much. The heading of this story is that once upon a time, a psychology professor walked around on a stage while teaching stress management principles to an auditorium filled with students, and as she raised a glass of water and everyone expected कि they had been asked the typical glass half empty or glass half full questions. Instead, with a smile on her face, and the professor asked, "How heavy is this glass of water I am holding?" Students shouted because they got startled on that time. They are thinking कि they are asking other questions, but instead of they asking other questions. So answers ranging from 8 ounces to a couple pounds, and she replied, from my perspective, the absolute weight of this glass does not matter. It all depends on how long I hold it, and if I hold it for a minute or two, then it's fairly light, and if I hold it for an hour straight, its weight might make my arm edge a little. So if I hold it for a day straight, my arm will likely cramp up and feel completely numb and paralyzed, so forcing me to drop the glass to the floor. In each case, the weight of the glass does not change, but the longer I hold it, it heavier it feels to me. So never we should stressing to any things, and we don't take any stress from other things. What we happening in our life, we should only focus on that them. Thank you guys, thank you. Now my third topic is vocab. So first vocab is that advantages. It means that lavdayak. Now tell you spelling about the advantages. ADVANTAGS, advantages, and the synonyms of this word is that fringe benefit. Fringe benefit, desirability, you can take in the synonyms of this word. Now telling you about the spelling of the fringe benefit. FRINGE, fringe benefit. BENEFIT, fringe benefit. Suppose that sir had given the task of advertisement in GD, and advertisement is really very important. Those persons which wanted to start up our business, yeah, their business on that time, advertisements really works, because they can send any message to the media and given on TV and reaches to different corners of the country, and it helps in increasing the sale of product by building products, goodwill and reputation. So it can also enhance your business on that time. So this is really very advantageous. It means that fringe benefit to you. Not second matlab, now I am telling to repeating the one more spelling of this word. Fringe benefit, FRINGE, fringe benefit, BENEFIT, fringe benefit. Now my second word is that disadvantages. You can take in the antonyms of this word, advantages, disadvantages, but now my second word is that disadvantages. It means that pitfall. The synonyms of this word is that pitfall, yes, stumbling block. Spelling of the disadvantages: disadvantages, disadvantages, and the spelling of the pitfall: pitfall, pitfall. And second synonyms of this word is that stumbling block: stumbling, stumbling block. If you use in the word of the sentences that's like disadvantages, that can take in the examples of the advertisement also. It could be the lacuna of this impersonal communications, because no direct communications between customer and market. This is a very disadvantages on that time, because those purchasers, those buyers who wants to buy these things, after then he does not able to direct contenting on them. That's why there are some scares of the lacuna. So this is really very pitfall and create a very stumbling block situation on that time. Thank you guys, thank you so much.
Good evening, everyone. I am going to tell a story, The Portrait of a Lady. My grandmother's, like everybody grandmother's, was an old woman. She had been old and wrinkled for the 20 years that I had known her. People said that she had once been young and pretty and had a husband, but that was hard to believe. My grandfather's portrait hung above the mantelpiece in the drawing room. He wore a big turban and loose-fitting clothes. His long white beard covered the best part of her chest, and he looked at least 100 years old. He did not look the sort of person who would have a wife or children. He looked as if he could only have lots and lots of grandchildren. As for my grandmother's being young and pretty, he thought was almost revolting. Now I am going to tell two word meanings. Fables. Fables. It means Kalpnit Kahani. And second word is portrait. Portrait. It means chehra. Thank you.
Good evening, everyone. I am going to tell a story, The Bond of Love. which is written by Kenneth Anderson. I will begin with Bruno, my wife's pet sloth bear. I got him for her by accident. 2 years ago, we were passing through the sugarcane field near Mysore. People were driving away the wild pig from the field by shooting at them. Some were shot and some escaped. We thought that everything was over when suddenly a black sloth bear came out panting in the hot sun. Now, I will not shoot a sloth bear want only, but unfortunately for the poor beast, one of my companions did not feel that way about it and promptly shot the bear on the spot. As we watched the fallen animal, we were surprised to see that the black fur on its back moved and left the prostrate body. Then we saw it was a baby bear that had been riding on its mother's back when the sudden shot had killed her. The little creature ran around its prostrate parent making a pitiful noise. That's all. Now I am going to tell two word meanings. My first word is genius. Its spelling is Genius. Genius. It means a great natural ability. In Hindi, apurva buddhi. And the second one is ally. Its spelling is Ally. It means friend. In Hindi, mitra. Thank you.
Good evening, sir. Today's news are: first news is Nobel Prize in Literature 2020 announced. The Nobel Prize in Literature for 2020 is awarded to the American poet Louise Gluck for her unmistakable poetic voice that with austere beauty makes individual existence universal. The Nobel Prize in Literature is awarded by the Swedish Academy, Stockholm, Sweden. And the other news is Srimati Irani launches first ever brand and logo for Indian cotton. Union Minister of Textile Smriti Irani has launched the first ever brand and logo for Indian cotton on 2nd World Cotton Day through video conferencing. Now, India's premium cotton would be known as Kasturi cotton in the world cotton trade. The Kasturi cotton brand will represent whiteness, brightness, softness, purity, luster, uniqueness, and Indianness. Thank you, sir. I want to tell a summary about Animal Farm by George Orwell. Animal Farm by George Orwell can be classified as a fable. It features an array of animals who symbolize various classes of citizens and characters during the Russian Revolution. We learn that greed can blunder a revolution and undermine the people's determination to overthrow a corrupt regime. The animals are very literal depictions of real people. For example, Napoleon the pig is representative of Joseph Stalin. Thank you.
Good evening, sir. Today's news are: Goal launches online startup platform Startup India Showcase. The Department for Promotion of Industry and Industrial Trade (DPIIT) has launched an online discovery platform for startups called Startup India Showcase. The main aim of this website is to make a repository of India's most promising startups that have proved their capabilities from across sectors such as fintech, enterprise tech, social impact, health tech, and edutech, among others. Another news is Gujarat government to launch Digital Seva Setu program. The state government of Gujarat has announced a Digital Seva Setu program to ensure optimum utilization of technology for public welfare in rural areas. The program has been initiated under the center's BharatNet project. That's all, sir.
My first word is curious, means appetent, solicitous, and the antonym of the word is ordinary. Sentence: every person should curious to know something new. Second word is indigenous, indigenous, means local. Aboriginal, native. Antonym of the word is migrate, adventitious. Sentence: we should use indigenous goods. Thank you, sir.
Now the words are purify, Purify. Purify means soothe. The synonyms of this word is purge, depurate, distill. And the antonyms of this word is pollute, contaminate. When we take breath, our nose used to purify it. Next word is intensify, Intensify, which means tej. Synonyms of this word is enlarge, enhance, develop. Antonyms of this word is abate. We can hear the intensified wind, which is as like as a storm.
Good evening, sir, and good evening, everyone. My story name is Example is Better Than Precept. Our society runs on certain precept, rule of action. Great men of the past preached us what we must do and what we must not do to get success in life and do become great. But these sermons do hardly influence common men, while examples of good work, right path, and correct ways do always impress us. Man is imitative by nature. What he hears goes into the air in no time. He forgets the good principles as these look difficult to adopt. But something good something good done before eyes does appeal him instantly. He gets inspiration and confidence of doing great things himself. Examples simplify difficult facts into uh, difficult facts into easy ones. It's true, therefore, that example is better. Thank you. Now to the my second topic is vocabulary. My word is savior. Spelling SEVERE. Savior means गंभीर या जोरदार. Synonym harsh HARSH. Antonym kind KIND. Example: his injury was quite severe. उसे बहुत जोरदार चोट लगी थी. Next example is he is suffering from severe stomach ache. वह बहुत ज़्यादा पेट दर्द से पीड़ित है. Thank you.
Good evening, everyone. My topic name is Indian Air Force Day. The Indian Air Force is called the air arm for the Indian military. Indian Air Force is also known as Bharatiya Vayu Sena. It was officially established on 8 October 1932. Hence, every year The India Air Force Day is celebrated with great enthusiasm. It is the fourth largest air force in the world or planet. The motto of the Air Force of India is Touch the Sky with Glory, and its purpose is to ensure the security of India's airspace. It was known as the Royal Indian Air Force before independence, but after independence, the word Royal was removed from it to Indian Air Force, and it came under the control of India. Since then, the Indian Air Forces has entered into quarters four quarters with Pakistan and one with China after its freedom.